Hi, Assalamualaikum, my friends. How are you all? I hope you are all always fine and happy. Welcome back to my channel, Munedo. Nice to see you again. Okay, this time I want to take you to Bibis. Yeah, one of kelurahan in Kecamatan Banjarsari, Solo. In Bibis, there is a jembatan called Kreteg Abang. Yeah, this bridge connect two kampung Bibis Kulon and Bibis Wetan, the east one and the west one. And in Bibis there are several university. Two of them are AUB, Akademi Uang dan Bank, and Tunas Pembangunan University. Yeah. So this bridge is very important for people who live here and using this bridge every day. Okay, we're gonna focus on the bridge. Yeah. Now this bridge actually is the new one, because the old one was damaged and was ruined in 2018. Yeah, the old one was not balanced and the foundation of the bridge was damaged. Ambles. Yeah. This bridge is wider 1 meter more than the old one, and you can see the Lawu mountain at the east and Gunung Merbabu and Gunung Merapi at the west when the day is clear. Yeah. This bridge was initiated November 2019 by the Mayor of Surakarta, Bapak Rudi. Okay, that's all from me today. Thank you for watching. If you like, click the like button and see you on the next video. Wassalamualaikum.